What's up, high levelers? Funnel Doc here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create coupon codes, how to add them to automations and use them in email sequences and different things like that so that you can have all different coupon codes that are timed, that are set up, that are limited. There's all different types of possibilities. In this video, I'll break it all down. So let's jump inside. Right. So to access the coupons, you're going to go right here to payments. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go right here to coupons itself, right here. Boom. And once you clicked on that button, you can come right here to create coupons. You'll see the different coupons will be listed that you have down here, the active, scheduled, or expired. You'll come right here to coupon, and then you just name it. You can name it whatever. So let's say Black Friday is coming up. So you have wanted to have a Black Friday discount code, Black Friday. Now, you can either hit generate and it will give you any random code, like you can say that, or yours might be like, BF deal or something like that, whatever it would be. And it recognizes both uppercase and lowercase. So you don't have to really worry about that. Now, the next thing you want to do is set your type. Is it a percentage or a fixed amount? Is it like, hey, we want to give 50% off? Or do you want to have a fixed coupon that would be like, hey, we're going to give $50 off? So, you know what I mean? 50%, $50. Then this is really cool. So if you wanted it to end, say, Monday is going to be, Cyber Monday. Let's say that we want to start it on Black Friday, and we'll start it at midnight. Boom, and we'll say 12 a.m. So there, we're starting it at midnight, and we're going to end it on Cyber Monday. So we're going to come right here. We're going to say Cyber Monday, November 2nd, and let's end it at 5 p.m. on Cyber Monday. We're going to go p.m. on this one. We'll go 5 p.m. And let's hit the zeros. Boom. All right. So now it's set for 5 p.m. Now, the next thing would limit the number of times the coupon can be redeemed. So if I only wanted maybe 100 of these or 50 of these to be viable, for urgency, you could say, hey, there's only 50 coupons. First 50 people sign up. We're going to be able to get this using code BF deal for Black Friday deal. Boom, there you go. So I would probably use this unless you're just going to keep this like an open thing. If we're going to this and making a Black Friday or some type of deal out of it, I would. So the next one is limit the coupon to specific offers. So right now, if they use a coupon, it's set for across the board, any product it'll work on. But if I had a specific offer, like a coaching program or something, or like a hat or whatever it is, they're you can see you can pick multiples in here, complete funnel ecosystem, whatever it is. You come in any products that you have already created underneath the products tab, and then you can limit one per customer. Yeah, maybe if you're just, doing that, but I'm not going to use that one too much. And then this one's important. Pay attention to this. Also apply to reoccurring and future payments if applicable. If you only want this to be because the coupon to work for like the first one and then it's regular price after that, turn it off. Then it's not going to be for future. But if you leave it on, it's already checked, then you're going to get that discount across for as long as they're, paying this for recurring payments or anything like that. Then once it's done, what you do is you go set it up as a custom value. You create with custom value Black Friday discount, and it could be the $50 or whatever, but you then put that in there, and then you're able to use that throughout all your different email, all your different branding. You could also have the name as a value, custom value too. Then you're using your emails, your landing pages, all that. And if you decide to change up the percentage or anything like that, you just change it in the custom value and it updates it because maybe you're wanting to use the same workflows and everything for next Black Friday. Maybe it's really, really good, but this time you're like, you know what? Last time I gave them 50% off, and that was just too much. So let's do this time. Let's give them 40%. And now instead of updating it in your coupon here, you would just in your workflows, you still update in your coupon here. You would just update that. The other thing you can do is you can put the coupon code as a value, and then every year you could change it up. So this one could be BF Deal 2024, because we're in 2024. And then next year you just go in, change it to custom value 2025, updates it throughout your whole system. So those are the three things, I'd have it. I'd leave the name would be Black Friday deal, but the code itself, I'd make a custom value. And then the offer, I'd potentially make that a custom value too, depending if you're going to change that up or not. And that's all you got to do. Pretty easy. And those are coupon codes and how I'd recommend using them and setting them up. So let me know if you have any questions down below. I appreciate it. With that being said, have an amazing day. Funnel Doc out. Peace.